Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. There's another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And in case I do have any discount codes, they'll be in the description. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Now this is a new H pillow. This is the newest line of travel pillows to take with you on the road. Really comfortable, and a full demo will be after this video. So thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up, check it out. All you travelers out there, this will be a great one. All you wrestlers and everybody, sports athletes like to take the road. Comes with a nice little satchel bag, travel pouch, store it in. Ooh, super soft. Goes on your neck. Oh yeah, I could fall asleep on this. YouTubers, this would be a great one to get. Definitely comfortable, especially around here. And like I said, they supplied the demo video, so that's this guy. He'll be coming up. The H pillow. I mean, this thing is nice. This would be a great stocking stuffer. Kind of looks like a tooth. Great stocking stuffer for anybody, especially with the holidays coming up. Get the holiday travel in. Might want to pick this up. Got a zipper. Well, maybe possibly buy accessories or add-ons. Not accessories, but change the color maybe in the future. This is really nice. So, like I said, super squishy, super soft. Check them out. Get it at a low cost. Link will be down below. Hopefully, YouTubers, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe. And that's it today. Pretty simple. Nice pillow. Really cushy. And check them out next coming up.